Good morning, Thursday. Yan. Ay, mag-usap yung sasakyan. Bakit daw walang traffic? Bakit ka kaya?
Aga.
Bakit kaya walang traffic? Well, it's Thursday. It's Wednesday lang pala. It's midweek. Good morning, Wednesday lang pala. Excited naman ako sa Thursday. Kamusta rin? Kawayan kita, Lolo. Oo. Para naman. Ako. Ang bait. Ni Lolo kami kapitbahay. Kabatian ni Rela yun eh. Nagkakaway. Hindi pa sila. Wednesday lang pala. Bye. God bless. Be good kids. Be good in school. Study hard. Bye.